So NetDocuments, the world's most secure place to store your documents, has a client portal called Collab Spaces. And if someone has added you to a Collab Space, you can add documents to that Collab Space. The add documents features in the web page really only allow you to upload around 150 documents at once to NetDocs. Once you get over that, it causes issues. If there's folders, it causes issues. If there's super large files, it can cause issues. So NetDocs has this program ndOffice, and if you install it, you could actually use that to upload documents, and it'd just be a much better experience. Only prerequisite to install ndOffice is that you have Microsoft Office installed on your computer. So if you got Microsoft Office, you're in good shape. Now this blog post will have the link, but I'm going to come over here and I'm going to run this exe. Don't worry about MSI or zip. We're going to run the exe, and I'll put a direct link to the exe there. All right, save. All right, we'll come over here and then we're going to run this. And then I'm just going to agree and hit install. This is just going to put a program on our computer that's going to make it easy to upload documents into NetDocs. So this is getting installed. There's the process. Very quick, very easy. You just have to have ndOffice. You can't have Office or Adobe opened when you're running this. That might be the only other issue you run into. All right, so the installation is complete. Now let's come over here because we got invited to this. So let's come over. You've been added to the optimal repository. So we'll click on activate here. This is going to give us a NetDocs account. Just copy my email address. All right. So now we have gotten in to NetDocs. Okay. Now, what we want to do is log into ndOffice, and I'm just going to choose ndOffice here. All right, tells us we're not enabled. Please log in. So we'll just hit login since we're already, well, we're just going to have to log in again. So it's good you see this here. My default web browser, I guess, is Edge, and I was doing this in Chrome. So let me just log in again and hit allow. All right. So see, we have here this little upload button. And what this allows us to do is take, like, say, like a folder like this with all these subfolders. Maybe there's some large files in here, and I'm just going to drag it over. Okay, select destination. So this was the collab space that was shared with us. So we'll select that destination. We'll just hit, we'll put nothing, select. All right. And then we will hit upload. So that is going to allow us to upload documents to a collaboration space. And then this is just going to upload exactly how it's set up here. It's going to create the folder structure, and then it's going to upload all the documents. Nice thing here is you can go about your day doing other stuff as well. If the law firm successfully set up the collab space, it shouldn't ask you for a doc type. So that's the only other thing. But this makes it really, really easy to upload documents.